people, welcome to Politics Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to talk about a member of Klansman that I don't think I've ever done a video about him or even mentioned his name before, but I can't recall. You know, I have over 750 videos, sometimes even me can't remember some of them, right? But this youth name is Dodos, that's his street name. Obviously not to be confused with the Dodos from West Kingston. But this Dodos was a Don in his own right. More of a Capo 87. Right. Now, he was behind bars, just get released, and the man named dash him already. But before we go into all of that, let me give you the backstory. Dodos, right, short, dark youth, right. You know the short 87 them already. When them decide to them go bad, peer problem. Right. Very influential member of Klansman, very powerful. At one point, Tesha, it give him right his own, how you know somebody is powerful in Klansman is when Tesha used to say, alright, you run off yourself and just do your one thing. Right, just link me every now and then, but you can just do it the right so. Very few people could do that. Right, of course they know about the James Hines, right, and people like that. Dodos was one of them. Dodos was also the man where after Tesha first got jail, him did really control all the guns them. Right? So anybody who want certain machine, and go to him give that man a this, him take back this, he was responsible for all of that. In terms of activity in the streets, too many victims to count. Murders, shootings, right? Well known on the police radar. Matter of fact, at one point, he did actually fly out and the molar upon him and send him straight back to Jamaica. Here is an excerpt from the Jamaica Greener describing Dodos. And this is from the police. This is the police them own words. See the on your screen? The JCF is reporting that a man it labels one of Jamaica's top tier gangsters and violence producers was recently captured in the United States. Right? This is the same Dodos them I talk about. So after him get deep, drop at Jamaica, police hold on upon him 2015. People I expect say they're never ever going to see Dodos on the road again. After all, somebody with a track record as long as female, right, and even the security forces themselves, I tell you, right, at the time he was one of Jamaica's top tier 87s. You would think it would be an open and closed case. Only few say Dodos touch about the streets. Them couldn't hold on upon him. Right. Then couldn't be a case against him. Or who knows, maybe man them have some kind of deal. To be honest, everybody confused how Dodos that road. Right. The operation, right, for him get deep, for hold on upon him, it was so major and the whole heap of hype put it there on him name and all that. It seemed like same not touch back road, so everybody kinda confused how somebody like him, right, and to all the security forces were so confident going into it, that's not no come out there, so who knows. Right. He must know how he may not back a road. Well, I bet time did stay in there. Right. Now, you have to understand that Dodos was wanted, not just from Tesha's side, but also Black Man's side. Because you see, as me say, he did a lot to go on them for Tesha. But when the Black Man and Tesha split one, him end up double cross Tesha and start link with Black Man. And then him disarm enough of the man them, right, especially from Dela. Right, and take enough of them gun there and carry go gay. Black Man. So that's how him and Tesha originally fall out. He never stopped there so. It end up so that's him then double cross Black Man and switch from Black Man too. At one point, the same Dodo says here, so it start bringing enough weapons, right? Send go over Rivali, right? Want to start doing more thing as a breaker faction. Real violence producer, big time troublemaker. And not only that, not only was he a capo, because I say him could have rode in place and him have talk over enough man. Right? Could have sent for gun and all them thing there. Not only that, but he's a youth who used to go for people himself. Right? So he was an active 87. Right? So people Nevertheless, we're hesitant to face him because, him have talking to the system, but also because he will go for you personally. He was well known for running program per man. Matter of fact, you would have heard me talk about Klansman by the name of Badders many times. He was one of the men with the help on the program from Badders, which didn't go down too well in the system, right? But as a Klansman go, they're very good at wiping out each other. Right? He did also help run the program for the next 87 named Romy. Right? And Romy, right, was one of Tesha's top 87s. Again, them kind of thing they didn't make people always size up Dodos, but he was elusive. Couldn't really catch him, know the game, and because him helped plan so much program for other man, him know the same Klansman tactics them. So the tactics them with them that try use on him, cause him know them so well him never let work. Then him go fly out, get deep, that jail, so it was very hard for people to get to him. When him touched the road, them couldn't see him nowhere. People are wonder if he left Jamaica. But he was still on the island. But Dodos, like many 87s, like many men period, was still susceptible to being led astray by one thing. Guess what that one thing was? Yes, his small head. His small head lead him astray. As usual, a woman them use, right, to bring him out of hiding and find out where him there. The man them go for him by Riddles Road. Just like that. After years of evading them, and that's both sides. Can you imagine somebody being wanted, right, by both Tesha and Blackman's side? And because he was so stingy when he went into jail, man like him, when them touch back a road, them always want to run things themselves. Right? So somebody like Dodos now go get released from jail and then go link with bedbugs and take orders from them because he'd be much older than them. He's a big man for them. He's more established than them. So that's just not how it works. So he was basically trying to farm him on a thing, and the man them get him out before him could get the strength because him say him just touched the road. But you see what happened with Dodos? Listen out, it happen more often. Enough for the old time Klansman them with our jail. Enough for them a bus case as they come on road, you're going to see them going in the dirt. The grudge where the man them did that carry for Dodos are years. Years them sit down upon it until them catch him. And not only that, some people in a Spanish town no want the old time Klansman then come back, right, come turn up the place. So enough of them when them get Lego from jail, and them things say yes, free to touch back the streets and run the place how we used to run it, enough of them are just dead. Right. You see, even the anti-gang trial will come up. If the man them will beat some of them case there, go back in them community, right, and even show any hints, so they want to keep up certain foolishness, you're going to see enough of them lose for them life too. Because the landscape in a Spanish town completely changed. You see, 5-10 years ago, certain man, just off of them name alone, could have got anywhere and walk past certain place and nobody no trouble them. People like Dodos, in our old time Klansman days, even if somebody had a problem with him, they will have to just look past him. Because he was that feared. Right, and him name this so big. But now, nobody no business about name. People want to get out the old time Klansman. So the landscape of Spanish town so different now, that's that was spooky. So even some man want a bus case and celebrate, I'm safer behind bars. But I just hope that innocent people they get caught in the foolishness. Okay, you know them think they got already. But that's the end of Dodos. One of the most influential members of the gang. Right up there, right, with some of the members that we talk about in terms of power, in terms of just the sheer amount of victims attached to his name. In terms of police, just tired of him name, lock him up, can't do nothing, lock him up, nobody no come forward. Very hard to get a witness. Especially them time there, to stand up and testify against somebody like Dodos. And let me say, short youth. But you know, the guy already, reputation is a hell of a thing. And his reputation was very big. But I keep an eye on the situation still. Just listen out for your more Klansman go like this. That small head is a hell of a thing. It's led many men astray, and it will lead many more. But in instances like this is just the past catching up to people like Dodos. Them man ya do too much things to just live a long life and just pass away peacefully in them sleep. So this is how them never go out anyway. Now for these 87s, when time them did hot like fire, and police are look for them and everybody afraid of them, and it look like a them time them go dead. When them survive that, enough people say, well, look how much things him do, and nothing come out right and this and that, and see it catch up to him eventually. Dodos was at Apex 87, and I'm already telling you how them go out already. And to be honest, if it wasn't for the fact that him did fly out, and then as him come back, him go to jail, him had probably gone in the dirt a long time. That trip abroad, cause obviously man like them not getting a passport and a visa and go through the airport. Right? You know about them and a David. But all that do buy him some extra time, but eventually them catch up on him. So just like that, the once feared Dodos, gone to join the list, right, of other Apex 87s from that generation of Klansmen. Them you there, the influence and the damage, right, where them left on Spanish Town and Jamaica as a whole. Right. Talk about it all the time, and I think people remember Spanish Town those days, when Klansman and one other was at it, and then when Klansman start war, Klansman Pitney couldn't go school. I hope we never return to those days. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Look out for a video to drop soon. Here's this clip. 2 man, 2 cutlass in the hand. Why am I forgot show and talk about it, cause what Mr. Jamaica's a Netflix series. I think like them, yeah, reaffirm what I talk about. PIA, big up on yourself, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling for scraps. Bless.